because this is amazing. This is marvelous, sir. What do you have to say, sir? You know, getting Salman Khan Saab and of course Chiranjeevi sir together.
Welcome and all. First of all, एक तरफ सुपरस्टार सलमान साहब है और एक साहब मेगा स्टार चिरंजीवी साहब, मेरी तो बोलती बंद हो गई मेरी तो. I would like to thank mega star Chiranjeevi garu for giving us this opportunity to produce this movie. Thank to Salman Khan sahab for accepting this special role for this movie. Sir, we will give you this blockbuster, sir.
You've already said it, sir. Thank you so much.
I am telling this because I have confidence on my two successful directors. One is Taman for the music, and one is Mohan Raja for the direction. I would like to thank all our hero Satyadev, Lady Star Nayandara, and Murli Sharma, Samudra Gadi, and cinematographer Nirusha for their hard work. So once again, I like to thank each and everyone who worked very hard for this movie. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And now would like to invite on stage someone जिनकी विजन को अभी हमने बड़े पर्दे पर देखा और उन्होंने इस मैजिक को जिस खूबसूरती से किया है, जोरदार तालियों से प्लीज वेलकम द डायरेक्टर साहब मिस्टर मोहन राजा, ladies and gentlemen. सर देखा आपने इतना कमाल काम किया, उन्होंने वो एंट्री पे स्पेशल म्यूजिक देना ही था सर. वेलकम एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस ऑन दिस. दिस लुक्स मार्वेलस. प्लीज टेल अस, और सच सच बताइएगा सर, खुद कितना प्रेशर महसूस किया? वी हैव मेगा स्टार एंड सुपर स्टार, यू नो, दोनों आमने सामने एक साथ.
Both no words to express my happiness and pressure. Both. Like, this is a dream come true. Like, you know, I don't, how many people will get this kind of a chance. And it started as a film with Sir Chiranjeevi sir. He's such a sweet man. Like, you know, I know him from my younger age. My dad has produced a film called Hitler in Telugu. From that time on, he's very close to us. And I got the big opportunity of directing him when it is my 10th film. And I was quite popular in doing films in Tamil. Suddenly I got an invitation from Chiranjeevi sir to do this movie. I was so lucky. And as the process went on, we needed a big star for this role. So I did a small homework, like, you know, a secret work. Like, I need a big star and I want that to happen. So I just did a small secret homework that who's close to sir, who might, I want a star and that too. So my groundwork or homework, you know, I came to know Salu sir is so close to the family. So with that homework, I just went and asked him very politely, and, you know, I was a little afraid to even say the name, whether this would happen or not. But my groundwork, homework, it helped actually. Sir, are you really asking? Are you serious? That's the first thing sir asked me. No, sir, this is, the character demands that, you know, the Godfather, someone who could tell you are the Godfather, someone who would show the magnanimity, the magnanimous nature of this character, that has to be another big star, sir. And just, it was around 6 o'clock I spoke to sir. I just came out from his house. 6:20 I received a call. Within 20 minutes, he said, Raja, you want to hear a news? Salman is there in our movie. Salman sir is there. In 20 minutes, you know, I didn't believe at all. Like sir told, Raja, he doesn't want to know the story. He doesn't want to know anything about that. I just called him. Next word he told, anything for you, he told. So that is, you know, like, so after quite some time, they both will tell their friendship, their love towards each other. But I had the privilege of knowing from single, you know, Salu sir, what he shared about the respect for Chiru sir in person. Like, that is amazing. Only I had the opportunity of knowing what Chiranjeevi sir, how much love he has on, I don't know which, some other person would have that privilege of knowing the love for each other. I really don't know, sir. Because in personal time, what, sir, I'm saying in front of you both, sir, each one of you, Salu sir loves you like anything, sir. So seriously, maybe the love he shows on you directly, that is different, sir. But, to me, what, like, Raja, do anything that would make Chiru sir happy. That's what Salu sir told me. And this is more than a promotional event. This is I feel this as a thanksgiving for Salu sir for coming into the film. So thank you so much. You made this film so big. And seriously, sir, and your team, the wonderful team of SK's team, they made everything easier because the program was sudden, the shooting was sudden, everything went on so smooth and it was so comfortable. Thank you for you and your team, sir. Thank you. And so the first time he called me sir, so I told, I don't want this much respect, sir, just call me Raja. He told, this is much more respectful. So the moment he came into the set, he made things lighter because, see, he came just because of friendship, what he shares. But I am a director. I didn't narrate the story. I didn't do any strain to get to direct Salu sir. But I was a little fearful so that the opportunity didn't happen naturally to me. It came out of luck to me. But sir made it very easier so that the very first moment he made it look like a long friendship kind of a thing. So thanks for sir. A year before I didn't think I'll direct you, sir. Now this is a dream come true. Thank you. And 2 megastars in one film. This is really, really dream come true. And from a director's point of view, this film will satisfy all the audience. It is a political thriller with even full of family emotion too. Definitely, I've taken enough care. That whole team. At this moment, I thank my team, the technicians, artists, every artist. I know Satyadev. You just note down. You will become a big star after this film. Already you're a star. Now this film is going to be something else for you. And already he is doing Ram Setu, I believe, here, a big character in Ram Setu. And so my Nayanthara, I'm doing third film with Nayanthara. So the whole crew and my DOP, Nirav Shah, Taman, everyone. I want to thank everyone here. And to the audience, I request you, believe our team. This is going to, we are giving a very, very engaging, interesting thriller movie. Please kindly watch it in theaters. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much, sir. I could feel the passion. I could sense the passion. Yeah. And now, ladies and gentlemen, jinki baat kari yahan pe, there's this super cool actor. Give it up for Satyadev Saab, ladies and gentlemen. Can we make some noise for this youngster who's welcome, sir? Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for being a part of this, because this looks fantabulous. What do you have to say, like quickly, if you have to, sum it up, the entire journey of Godfather for you?
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, I would like to thank everyone. This is really a surreal moment for me to stand in front of my beloved Annaya, megastar Chiranjeevi Garu, and Salman Bhai. I mean, it's really, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling. So early in my career, I never thought I would stand in front of them to deliver a speech. Really, I just want to share one thing. I've become an actor because of my love towards Annaya. So right from I call him Annaya. That's brother, big brother. Right. So I fueled it, and the love towards him. Today, the reason why I'm standing in front of everyone is because of the love I have for him. And he was the one who casted me in this film, and he wanted me in this film. And not in my wildest dreams I had this thing that I would act in front of my idol, the person because of whom I became an actor. And so that's on one side. I was so nervous, and of course Raja sir was always there to comfort me and to give me the entire thing. And while I was doing, all of a sudden they said, you have to face another person, that is Salman Bhai. So it was I was so nervous, as in two superstars, a megastar and a superstar, and I'm the antagonist for them. So it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling, but more than that, it was the responsibility which kept me going, because I have to deliver. I have to make sure I have to withhold my Annaya's name to make sure that I deliver, and that the choice he took has to be good. And I gave my best, and really fortunate to stand in front of you all. The Hindi film industry here, I mean, we are fortunate. I'm really fortunate. I'm a part of Ram Setu as well. So October 25th, you'll see me in Ram Setu, like Akshay sir's film. And thank you, Panorama, for the release. I really thank you all, and especially my Raja sir. He looks really cool. As in, to be honest, to direct two superstars, someone has to have nerves of steel, and I can proudly say I've seen him up close, and he really has got nerves of steel. He always puts up a smile, and he's just a cool chap on the block, and he made sure he handled the entire film so well. And we are all so happy. Everyone's seen the film and they're talking really high about the film. And they're really, I've seen him up close, the way he dealt the film. Hats off to you, sir. And obviously, R.B. Chaudhary, sir, thank you.
I'll join you in thanking them.
Yeah, yes. And
standing beside them, I missed thanking
yes,
both
please.
of you. And Prasad sir, the first reason for me to be in this film, so I thank them. And the biggest producer of Tamil cinema and Telugu cinema, R.B. Chaudhary sir, it's an honor and a privilege to direct a film in their banner. I just somehow missed it. Thank you.
Thank you. And N.V. Prasad sir, thank you so much. Honestly, my legs are shaking, while I'm talking. I'm just, and I'm putting up a brave face. Once again, I love you so much, Anaya. Thank you. This is a lifetime opportunity, and I'm sure I've done my best, and you will all love it. And Salman Bhai, thank you again. Thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful film. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be inviting two of these most amazing gentlemen up on stage. No matter कौन से adjectives मैं use कर लूँ, कितनी लंबी लाइनें बोल दूँ, all I want to say is उनका नाम ही काफी है. Give it up for, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for superstar Salman Khan and mega star Chiranjeevi sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Meera Ella Unnaru, sir. Yeah, I've learned that. Welcome.
So better talk in Telugu with me. Better. I'll be comfortable.
So, congratulations,
sir.
Sir, you speak it. No, sir, I just do the first bit and aage.
Farzi.
Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for doing this. First of all, there are so many things that I would like to know about, and jitne log yahan pe aaye hain, wo bhi janna chahenge. Lekin usse pehle, sir, pan-India star, pan-India superstar. We've been, hearing this word abhi kuch pichle saalon se bahut zyada often. But you've always been there. Sir has always been there, puri country, puri dunya se pyar milta hai. What do you have to say on that?
Good evening. And as you asked, wish good evening. Long ago, I tried to come into the Hindi field with a film named Pratibandh, and then followed by Gentleman and Aishka Gondaraj. That time I don't know, there was a separation, the regional films and national films, Hindi. And then after that I tried, but somehow I was so busy and I had to concentrate only on Telugu films. That's how I was away from the Hindi films. Always I wanted to see there should be one film that's called Indian film. There is no regional, there is no Indian film.
Correct.
It's my strong wish that they should come. एक छोटा कहानी तो बोलना पड़ेगी इसमें. I don't know whether it is controversial or what, but let me
जितना
express
controversial उतना better.
In '85, I made a film named Rudraveena. That film won Nargis Dutt Award, the National Integrity Award. That time I happened to be here to receive that award on behalf of my producers. So at the time of Haiti, I was going through that place where they were showing all the history of the Indian cinema. I was curious to know, see Prithviraj Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, Dilip Kumar Saab, and Raj Kumar Saab, and all the big stalwarts I've been watching. And hardly I could see any in South Indian actors. Maybe MGR photograph I have seen a brief history with Jayalalitha ji. And then I'm eagerly waiting to see Kannada Rajkumar, NTR of Andhra Pradesh and ANR and other heroes. There are top heroes, legendary heroes who were treated as demigods. I could not see those photographs. And Sivaji Ganeshan was a fantastic actor of our country. I could see. Then I felt very pain. So here, to the foreign delegates, how these people are here, who are there, they're projecting Indian cinema means only Bollywood Hindi cinema. No, there are other wonderful actors are there, wonderful films are there, be it Malayalam, be it Kannada and Tamil and Telugu and other small languages of Odisha and Bhojpuri, other films. So I felt very bad that time. So I was wishing those barriers should go. Whether it is South films or North films, every film is Indian film. Our sentiment is the same. Our emotions are same. Our actors all are great. So now that day has come, and recent years, and from where it has started, I don't want to give the clarity. Everybody knows it.
Daru, I will tell you where it started from. It started
followed by
from one brain dead earlier journalist who from Hollywood got Bollywood. Now they have Pollywood, Tollywood. So it started from there. We've always wanted it to be Indian film industry.
That's what I wish. That day has come. That's arrived now. Now the people's heart, the people's hands are broad enough to welcome each other. I'm really emotionally so great. Now, when the film comes, very recent film, Ram Charan's RRR, and people are receiving Ram Charan as their own guy, own person. As a father, once I was not received like that. When they're receiving Ram Charan, I felt so happy. My dream came true through Ram Charan. And that's how the days has evolved. And really, I'm proud to be now an Indian actor.
But Chirugaru, your films have been accepted here. Our films have not been accepted there.
Sir, you are much more advanced, or you are much more advanced audience. Slowly the day comes, sir. All we are here to take you. That's the reason. This is one of the reasons why I asked Sallu bhai, please, why don't you come through this film? We introduce you so that the acceptance will come automatically. So the day it is set. This is the first step.
There,
Started.
right there, first step.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, आपके लिए एक ही सवाल वो ये है कि आप दोनों को साथ में स्क्रीन पे देख के एकदम गूज़बम्स आते हैं. मेगा स्टार, सुपरस्टार साथ में. What is that one thing that you think sir को एकदम मेगा स्टार चिरंजीवी जी?
You know when they say casting couch does not exist, it's wrong. Casting couch does exist.
ये धीरे-धीरे आएगा.
नहीं, बहुत जल्द आएगा. So we were doing a commercial together in
Thumbs up.
In Thailand. So we both flew down together. Bombay aaye. Or he was taking a flight to Hyderabad in the morning. So the only one person apart from me who slept on my couch is Chirugaru. So we landed at about 1:32, and then we sat up and we spoke. And then he had to catch a flight. So I said, go to the bedroom, go to sleep. He says, no, I'll sleep on the couch. Now, how to tell him I sleep on the couch? So I said, okay. I went to the bedroom, went to sleep. He went to sleep on the couch. And first thing, he took his flight in the morning. So the only one person apart from me who's used my couch to sleep is Chirugaru. So there is, casting couch, and because of that, I was casted in this film. So he told me that there's a small role in this film. I said, Chirugaru, make me stand behind you. I am fine. He said, no, I'll give you a very noble role. And that's what he did.
I requested him, please, already is a original film was there. There's a Lucifer. You can see the Prithviraj Sukumaran, who has happened to be a director. He acted that. It's very good character, a very respectable character, a special character. My wish, as per my director, I requested you, please, if you could do that, I'll be very happy. Don't ask so requesting. You tell me you want me to do. Yes, I'll be very happy. I'm doing it. No, before that, just watch the character. If you like, then only. Otherwise, I don't pressure. Chirugaru, you said do it, I'm doing it. I don't, that's some word, some beep word is used, that's it. And that is so, I mean, all these things happen in 10 minutes time.
Which one was the beep word, Chirugaru? Huh? There are 4, 5 I use.
It's really, I'm really overwhelmed. I said, that's the first time I got, this film is going to be hit. That's it. When he says yes means the strength, the aura of the film has been erased. I feel really very happy. I think from there onwards, everything is going on. Whenever we ask, he's been giving. Because of some other problem, we could not make use of his dates. Again, sorry, Salu bhai. No problem. Tell me when you want. So December. Definitely I'll do that. That's such a cooperative. We are so embarrassed. So we were so much tense, not waste even a single day of his. That's how. And here one more thing with the heartfelt I want to tell you, Salu bhai. Really, I will indebted to lifetime to you. When my producers went to hand over one check or big check to him, and indirectly through their managers, they said, Salu bhai ko boliye aise dena hai. I think the manager, I don't remember his name, he went inside and with the same speed he came out, sir, please, I don't take this risk, sir. He said one word, how the producers are, they want to buy my love and affection towards Chiranjeevi and Ram with this price? No. However they give, I don't care. I'm doing with love and affection, that much of love and affection. He's been showering on us. We are really overwhelmed. And who holds that much a big heart other than Salman Khan? So thank you so much. And me and Ram Charan really will indebted for lifetime to Salu bhai, really.
Chirugaru, not a question about heart. It's a question of the love for cinema that I have, you have. And those days I was not doing anything. Thank you for making me a part.
See his modesty. That's a great, really, it's a wonderful experience, even after having been done more than 154 films. And again, doing these films, the same kind of excitement I've been getting how I used to do in my earlier days. That much of josh. I think people can see my josh while working this song. I'm really so happy, so energetic while doing. And especially at the time of song sequence, and Prabhudeva was there, director, and everybody was there. That time, he was so jolly, he's bubbling, and it has made us do much more magic with his presence. And we could see on the screen later. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you.
Now would like to invite on stage, there's this very important person, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Kumar Mangat is here, Panorama Studios se, who's distributing this movie, Hindi territory mein. So please give him a big round of applause. Welcome, sir. So good to see you. And would request the producers to kindly, welcome him. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kumar sir, for being here and doing the honors. It's so lovely to have you here. Sir.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Chaudhary Sahab, Prasad ji, सलमान भाई, सर, मुझे ये फिल्म रिलीज करने का मौका मिला और हम लोग पूरा जस्टिफाई करेंगे जो बेस्ट से बेस्ट हो सकेगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing this. बहुत shukriya. Can we have the chairs now? Thank you. And now it's time for you to shoot your questions. जी, मैम मैं आ रहा हूँ आपके पास जरूर. We'll just arrange the chairs. जी.
Hello. Hello. Hi. My question is for Chiranjeevi Garu. Hello, sir. So on your right. On your right. Sir, you actually mentioned a story about how, you know, only Hindi film actors were kind of shown during the Rudra Veena thing. Today, Ram Charan has found a mention in the Oscar 2023, you know, Best Actor list. What do you have to say about that? Because, you know, it's something which is very proud moment for India also, that an actor's name is there in the mention in the Oscar 2023. And as a father, what do you have to say?
No, really, it's a proud moment for me. I'm really very happy. That's what I was expressing. These kind of days should come. That was my agony in those times. And it's not because of Charan only, it's a collective effort. So my director, Rajamouli, through that film, through those actors, he's tried to hit the bullseye and get the attention. And even it was supposed to probabilities, it entered into the probabilities of Oscars. Really, it's a pride moment for me.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Salman sir. Hello, Chiranjeevi sir. Salman sir, my question is to you. You know, everyone spoke about how you came on board for the cameo over here. And then you are very close to the family. And I believe Ram Charan sir has also shot with you. How did that happen, like the cross culture over there?
How do you know that Ram has shot with me? पहले तो इसका जवाब दो मुझे.
Heard that he has shot with you for your next.
True story. So we were shooting in Hyderabad, and Venki was there with me. We were shooting, so he came to see me, and he said, "I want to do this," and I said, "No, no, 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 no." He said, "I want to be with you, and I want to be with Venki in the same frame." So I thought he was just kidding. So I said, "No, we'll talk about this tomorrow." Tomorrow he got his van. He got his costume. He's got everything. He was there before us. So I said, "What are you doing?" I said, "No, I want to be here." And I said, "We love you and we want you to be here, but is it okay for you to be here?" They said, "Yeah." And that's how he came into the film. And we had a great time shooting. Yeah. And after that as well. Much better.
And Chiranjeevi sir, a question for you. You know, this is a remake of a Malayalam film called Lucifer. There is a sequel as well to Lucifer being made. Are you planning similar things for Godfather as well?
As of now, I don't have any idea. Even he doesn't have. But yesterday, when he was showing the last reel, he kept one or two unnecessary scenes. As of now, that time I felt. But after seeing those end scenes of somebody talking in Interpol in somewhere about my re-entry into this, again, underworld, I thought, do you have any idea of making this part 2? No, sir, nobody knows. Because if chance comes, this scene will be helpful, so that I kept it. In such case, okay, go ahead. Maybe, we don't know. But I was talking to the director, Prithviraj Sukumaran, And he said once, sir, that was coming very well. If you are interested, I will let you hear the subject. And that maybe possibilities are there to make part 2 of Godfather.
चलो मेरी पिक्चर कंफर्म हो गई.
Hello, yeah. Oh yes, sir. My question was,
I am moving to the south.
sir, over here in front of you, Salman sir and Chiranjeev sir. My question for both of you. Sir, the question is like, if you see yesterday's movie, oh yes, on your right hand side up. The question is, yeah, oh yeah.
Raise your hand.
Sir, yeah.
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah.
So if you see yesterday's superstars working together, everybody has seen the clashes, ego on the screen. So I want to share, I want to know about when you two superstars were facing each other. Was there any kind of egoistic or clashes or something?
No, not such case, it will not arise in our, with both of us, because we love each other, we adore each other, we respect each other. So in such things are existing, there's no scope to have ego. It doesn't. Because, and especially we are senior most, we are not youngsters who is competing to each other. No, such things will not arise. So our maturity makes us feel comfortable.
And you're also going by one or two examples. All of us have done earlier double hero films, triple hero films. These things have never happened apart from one or two films. And that also would not be the actor's fault. It would somewhere be the director's fault. Because क्या रोल सुना है और किसके साथ ज़्यादा partiality हो रही है उसके वजह से हुआ होगा on creative differences. But I don't think that he must have had any problem working with anyone, or I have had any problem. And I worked a lot of two heroes. I worked with Sanju, Sunny, Jackie, Shah Rukh, Amir, Saif, everyone, Aki. I've never had this problem ever. So I don't know ये आप किसकी बात कर रहे हो. जब बात कर रहे हो तो वो example दे दो. किसकी बात कर रहे हो आप?
Even for that, need not be matured and seniority. Even youngsters like Tarak, NTR and Ramcharan did. They don't have any other hassles like this. They loved each other. So, as he says, it's depend upon the director who is supposed to balance and satisfy their egos. It doesn't arise individual actors. They don't mind acting with each other.
See, it all depends on the film, on the script. If you do not like the actor and you like the script, either don't do it or start liking the actor. Simple.
Chiranjeevi Garu, my question is to you. So on your right, so this way.
Yeah. On your right.
So,
yes, please. Again, you, number one.
So, Nagarjuna Garu has a release called Ghost on the same day, and he has said that both the films will do well. You all are all friends and a big family out there. Does it ever get difficult to keep the competition aside and just go and?
No, first of all, we don't feel that we are competing to each other. So each film is a unique. We have to show our talent. We have to prove through that film. And if it's liked by the audience, there ends the matter. That's it. Whether it's a flop or hit. So it doesn't arise. So even on my other day in Anantapuram, drenching in the rain, I was wishing my friend as well. It should feel, Ghost also should be a big hit.
We'll take two more questions, right?
Salman sir, hi.
Yeah, please.
Hi, Salman sir. Like you said, you became a part of the film because of the kind of affection and friendship that you share with Chiranjeevi sir. But did you also look at it as an opportunity where you felt like this could be a big challenge because the language is different, the setting is different, the sensibilities perhaps are also different?
I've spoken one line in Telugu and the rest is Hindi. And that was a big challenge. Big challenge.
There's nothing at all similar with that legendary film, Godfather. I was a little skeptical to to go with the name Godfather beginning. Except for Chiranjeevi sir, I wouldn't have dared to keep that name. Except for the name, nothing else goes with that cult classic Godfather. And this film deals with the image of a hero. The hero is called Brahma, and the dynamics of the hero, it is omnipresent. It is the biggest image-driven movie. Even the screenplay is written based on this particular character image. Yeah, image. So that is the only reason, and nothing else. Nothing else.
We'll take one last question, ladies and gentlemen. Ji.
Yeah, Nitin. Yeah.
Ji, yeah.
Hi, Salman. My question is to you, sir, actually, because this is your first Telugu film, per se. I mean, we have seen actors who have done movies in the South previously, but this is your first film. Will we be seeing you doing more films in South, perhaps? Because that is something, it is an opportunity today that we are all looking at.
See, people want to go to Hollywood. I want to go to the South.
Thank you so much. Ji, sir.
And the thing is that once we start all working together, just imagine the numbers that we will have. That is the main thing. That people watch it here, people watch it in the South. You have all the theaters, fans go and watch him, me, then they become my fans, we become his fans. So just everyone just grows and grows and grows, and the numbers become really large. अभी ये जो हम कहते हैं कि 300 crore, 400 crore, I think if this, all of us get together, I think we cross 3,000, 4,000 crores.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's time to go click, click, click. Over to you. Yeah? Ho jaye? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys were awesome. And congratulations to the entire team. Thank you so much, sir. Bahut bahut shukriya. I'll take the mic, sir. Thank you. हाँ, मैं